All you need to make this power pack pizza is quinoa, water, a garlic clove, and salt. You'll need a high heat oil. I'm using avocado oil, and you'll need an oven-proof skillet. Cast iron works great. Measure 1 cup of quinoa into a bowl, cover with 2 to 3 inches of water. If you want to make 2 pizzas, you'll need to double this and use 2 cups of quinoa. Cover and allow this to sit 8 hours or overnight. Then after 8 hours, place your skillet in the oven and heat the oven to 450 degrees. Drain your quinoa. Then add your quinoa to a blender, along with a clove of garlic, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of water. And remember, if you doubled your quinoa, you'll need to double the salt and the water. Your quinoa should be about the consistency of pancake batter. Remove the hot skillet from the oven, add oil to the skillet, and pour in the batter. Bake about 15 minutes. Then add your toppings. And then bake another 12 to 16 minutes. Placing your pizza on a lower oven rack will require a shorter baking time and yield a crisp crust. If you've doubled the ingredients, add your remaining batter to the skillet and repeat. Check out my playlist for other great recipes that incorporate quinoa, like quinoa with a kick, lentil burgers, quinoa kale and sausage, and quinoa pancakes. And if you need to know how to cook quinoa, there's a video for that as well. Happy healthy eating, and thanks for watching.